Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number B8600A. 90,000 miles on this local trade, sterling gray metallic in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Lots of cargo space in the rear. The Escape's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Pages with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for climate. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 240 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8600A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.